It's another beautiful, gorgeous day out here in Arizona. The sky is blue and I wish you were here with me too. Where am I? How about Gilbert, Arizona, in a subdivision called Seaboard at Cooley Ranch. Our home builder today is going to be Fulton Homes, and I've got some really nice homes to show you. This ginormous home right here, almost 3,000 square feet. You can, if you want, get it with 6 bedrooms. However, it's going to be shown and modeled as 4 bedrooms. And the nice thing, it has a full bedroom, bathroom downstairs. However, if you don't need something quite that big, I don't think most people do, but in case you don't need something that big, I've got something for you. How about this one right here? It is 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, has a study and a 2-car garage, right around 1,869 square feet. Both bedrooms, how about both homes are absolutely beautiful. And again, Gilbert, Arizona, in a subdivision called Seaboard at Cooley Station. Our builder is Fulton Homes, and of course, Mary Kay Marino, me, would love to be your realtor. Let me know down in the comments which one you think, and let me know what you think about that big house right there. Let's not waste any more time. Let's go. Alrighty now, so we're standing in front of the Cavalcade. 1,869 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. It also has a study, a flex room, an office, whatever you want or need, and also a 2-car garage. Base price starting right at $617,900. It says come on in, so let's go ahead and go on in. You might actually like this one too. Alrighty now. So as we stand right here in front of the front door, we're going to take a few steps up and circle all the way around and go down here. This is the front bedroom. Nice window to the front of the house. And right here, slider door closets. And yes, it does seem dark in here because of the plantation shutters. They don't always allow much light to come in. And then they have the dark colors in here. So if you like it, don't let the darkness persuade you away from it, because you can use whatever colors in the house that you want. Here's the shared bathroom, 1 sink, you have a tub and shower and a window above it. And then right across from this one is the next guest bedroom, a window to the side of the house, and then slider door closets. And again, I know it seems dark in here. It's because of the colors that they came in here, but just think about the floor plan. And then right down here is going to be your linen closet. Right there, shelving all the way up. Isn't that great? That's fantastic. So as we leave this part of the room, I'm going to give you a recap already. So front door, guest bedroom 1, shared bathroom, guest bedroom 2. Now we're going to walk down the hall. Garage door entrance, we're walking down. I want to show you that. Isn't that nice? Very circular rounded walls right here. It's going to bring us right into what? No, we're not going there yet. This is the office, the flex room, whatever you want. Very nice, large room. 2 windows, actually, to the side of the house. Nice room, so you can use it however you want or need it to be. I want to back up so you can see the entryway in there. Very nice. Now, as I circle around, we're going to bring you into the main part of the house, the kitchen, the family room, the dining, and you go ahead and enjoy it. Back into the kitchen here, they have stainless steel appliances. They have a wall oven, a wall microwave. They have a gas stove top with a nice stainless steel hood above it. I want to show you the entryway right there. See the rounded walls, and right there, that looks very, very nice. And here is your kitchen island. Comfortably seats 3. You could definitely put 4 in there if you wanted to. You have a nice pantry there in the corner, and I'll take you there to go take a look at it. Open here. Nice walk-in pantry, shelves all the way up. That's very nice. And then back out, you have counter space right over there. Lots of counter space. This is the look from the island into the family room, great room, and then glancing over to the dining area. So everything's right here in the main hub of the house. If you're having parties, family gatherings, get-togethers, you're definitely going to feel part of it. You're not going to feel isolated from it at all. Very, very, very nice. Give you another look right here. And an angled island right here. And I'll give you another look in the dining area. You can put whatever size and shape table you want. There's plenty of room for it. You have plenty of room right here between the edge of the table and your sofa or your chairs. You have 4 panels of glass sliding door right there. Brings all that natural light in, brings the outdoors in and the indoors out, which is fantastic for being here in Arizona. So as we walk past this, we're gonna go all the way to the end, and this brings us to your favorite room. Yay. Nice window out there so that you don't get so depressed. And then here's your half bath, your powder room. And then right here, I'm gonna open this door for you as well. That is your coat closet for all those cold wintry days we have here. And then we're gonna walk into the primary bedroom. A very nice size bedroom. You have access out to the patio. If you build from the ground up, you can put that in. However, a quick move-in most likely will not have that. But if you definitely want it when you're building it, you most certainly can. You have the tray ceilings up there with the lighting up there, which makes it look very nice, gives it a nice touch. And then as we walk past the bedroom or past the bed, brings us right into your walk-in closet, which again, very nice. And it would look much bigger if they didn't use such dark colors. Another look at the bedroom, nice size. And then as we come out of here, we're going to take you into the bathroom. And there's your vanity. Not bad. I mean, the space in between the sinks, isn't the greatest, but I've seen less, and I have definitely seen more. And if you've watched my channel, so have you. You do definitely have a nice party shower right there with a bench in there. Very, very nice. And then here is your water closet. And then I'm going to swing around and show you the vanity one more time. Hello. I hope you're having a marvelous day. I know I am. It is beautiful out here today. Sunny and 74. And then right across the vanity, I want to show you is your linen. There you go. And then as we exit out of here, it's going to bring us right into the family room, the kitchen, and the dining room. They won't let me take you out into the backyard for, I have no idea why. They just don't let you do that. The lot sizes out here are right around 5,600 square feet. But as you can see, you can do whatever you want with your own backyard. I'm going to turn around. I'm going to give you a recap on this one. This was called the Cavalcade, 1,869 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths with the study, 2-car garage, $617,900 for your base price. So remember, when you're building, it's going to go up from there, depending on how many bells and whistles that you add onto your home. That price will go up. But what do you think of this? Do you like this home at all? Alrighty, here is your FYI for you, the home buyer. Anytime you go into a new build, always remember to bring your realtor. Always remember to bring us. I would be honored to be the one that you choose. Anyway, always bring your realtor. Why? Because as nice and sweet as that agent is inside, and they will be, who do they work for? They don't work for you. They work for the builder/seller. And you want somebody to work for you, just for you, that has just your back from beginning to end and everything in between. That's called exclusive representation, and don't you want that? When you're buying a house, it's usually your largest and biggest asset you ever buy in a lifetime. And don't you really want it to work out for the benefit of you and your well-being and your whole family? Of course you do. So don't go in there and register in person. Don't go in there and register online, because once you do, you lose the opportunity to have somebody represent just your back from beginning to end and everything in between. And that's exactly what we will do for you. Okie dokie, so we're standing in front of the Tropical Trader, and boy, oh boy, this house has a lot to offer. 2,926 square feet. 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, a loft, a flex room, an office, a 3-car garage, and it can go up to, drum roll please, 6 bedrooms. How about that? And the base price, $738,900. Let's go in and show you this one. You may actually like it. Alrighty now, so we're standing right here in front of the front door, and as we turn around, here is the front room. I used to call this as a kid the living room. But these days they call it the flex room, the office, or whatever they want to call it. This nice tray ceilings above with the light, 2 nice windows to the front of the house, and then you also have those 2 windows to the side. So this is a front living room is what I'm going to call it. We're going to walk down the hallway and look at the stairway up. Isn't that nice? So walking. This is your garage door entrance. Directly across is your coat closet and Harry Potter closet. And then as we walk past that, it brings us right into the main part of the house. The kitchen, the dining, and the family room. Very, very nice. Go ahead and enjoy. Back into the kitchen, they have stainless steel appliances. They have a wall oven, a wall microwave, and they have a very nice stainless steel hood above the gas cooktop. They have a nice size island, comfortably seating 4. You might be able to squeeze in a 5th there if you wanted to change the style of it, but definitely 4 will fit nicely. Right over here, you have more cabinets, more counters, which to me, you can never have enough counter space in a kitchen. But I bring you in closer to see the kitchen. Very, very nice. They have undermount lighting, which will definitely be an upgrade if you're building. The builder may put it in a spec home, but may not. So all depends. Very nice. Lots of cabinets. And as we walk to the end, and over here is your walk-in pantry. And it is a nice pantry. How about that? I would like to have a pantry like this. And as we circle back around, I want to show you another look of the kitchen right here. And this is the look from the kitchen into the dining room and into the family room. I'm going to zoom in just so that you can see it a little better. Not that you need it by any means. And then I'm going to back out for you and then glance back over. I'm going to bring you into the dining room area. Let's try to keep the plant out of the way. Just to let you know as well, you can put any size table here, any size and any shape. You have a lot of room. Look at all the space you have to each side. Beautiful 4-panel glass slider doors. And you have a beautiful lot out there. The lots are right around 5,600 square feet. They don't allow me to take you out there, unfortunately. But we're going to swing around. I want to show you the family room area. And then walking past this, walking. Here is guest bedroom downstairs, which is fantastic. Nice window to the back. And then here's your slider door closets. And then backing out of here, right next to that is the private bathroom for that bedroom. Window to the side, and then it has a walk-in shower. And of course, if you're building, you can have whatever else you want in it. And then right next to that, right here, is going to be your linen closet. Right here, all the way up. There you go. So as we leave this part, this is, you can use this as a guest suite part. Brings you right back into the family room area. Isn't that nice? Very, very nice. So we're going to walk past all this. We're going to take you upstairs right here. And I'll show you right, look, all the way up there. I'll meet you up there. Alrighty, so here's upstairs and here is your nice large loft. Look at that. How about that? You have windows to the front, windows to the side. And as I'm standing right over here, this is looking down from the stairs. Right here, I'll show you. But then here's your loft again. This is a very nice, large loft. How about that? So as we back up, now we're going to go down the hall to the bedrooms. Primary bedrooms, guest bedrooms. Which way shall we go? How about if we turn to the right and go to the primary? And here we go. Window to the back, windows to the side. A very, very nice size room. Take you into the bathroom. There's your water closet. And right here's your linen. And there's your nice vanity. Now that's what I call space in between the sinks. That is very, very nice. I like that for sure. Then right over here is your garden tub and your walk-in shower. Nice window above the tub. Let more natural light in. And then I'm going to swing around and show you the walk-in clothes closet. Not bad. Not bad at all. It wouldn't seem so dark if they had a different light, different paint. But very nice bathroom. Then as we exit out of here, I'll show you the linen closet. Hang on. Right there. Another look into the bedroom. Nice large bedroom. As we exit this, we come right to your favorite room. Yay. Lots of cabinets for all the storage that you want and need, and also a sink. Quick move-ins may not have it, but if you're building from the ground up, you most certainly can add it. Walking down the hallway, keep walking, comes to guest bedroom number 1 upstairs. And it is a nice size bedroom right here. Walking past all this is your walk-in closet, sort of. You have bras on both sides. Let me give you another look at the bedroom. It is nice and large. And then as we exit this, we're going to come into a shared bathroom right here. 2 sinks, which is huge for me. I apologize for the glare. I'll try to walk you past that, and I'll show you. You have the tub and shower and your toilet area there. And then as we walk out, turning to the left comes to our next guest bedroom upstairs. So we have 2 guest bedrooms upstairs and 1 downstairs. Here is your walk-in closet, much better. I turn around, give you another look at the bedroom. Rooms are nice size, actually. So it's 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, and a loft, and a flex room. And so it's very nice. So 1 bedroom down, the rest are all up. So as we exit this, leaving this right here, I'm going to show you this room. This is your linen, and also storage for games and such that you want to play from the loft. Walking down the hallway here, this is the look right here from the stairs. Isn't that nice? Give you another look at the loft, and I'll meet you downstairs. Alrighty, so back downstairs we go. I will give you a update, recap on this since they won't let me take you outside. This is the Tropical Trader. 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, a loft, a flex room, an office. 2-story, obviously, 3-car garage for the base price of $738,900. Keep in mind, you can go all the way up to 6 bedrooms. However, if you want to build this one and you need the 6 bedrooms, they only have 2 lots left available because they are coming close to closing out in this subdivision. And we are in Seaboard at Cooley Station. What do you think of this big house? This is a large house. So what do you think of those homes? Really, really nice. And again, we are in Gilbert, Arizona, in the subdivision called Seaboard at Cooley Station. Our builder, of course, Fulton Homes. Really, really nice homes out here. The HOA, $176 a month. And what exactly do you get for that? Well, good question. You definitely get front yard landscaping. You get 2 aquatic pools. You get playgrounds, 4 grassy parks. You get basketball court, bocce ball courts, and a cornhole. Lots and lots of things to do out here. If you're wanting to build from the ground up because you want to pick out all the colors from top to bottom, you're more than welcome to do that. The time frame on that is roughly around 8 to 10 months. However, if you're thinking, I don't want to wait that long, which kind of don't blame you, you can definitely do that. They do have quick move-ins as of right now. So make sure you reach out to me and I'll help navigate that road for you. As far as lot sizes, they are rough. They're right around 5,600 square feet. You can put a pool in your backyard if you want, but it's not necessary because you have 2 aquatic center pools out here in your HOA. In case you don't know who I am, or maybe you forgot, my name is Mary Kay Marino, and welcome to Hello Arizona Living and Real Estate. We get calls, texts, emails almost every single day, and I absolutely love it. So whether you live out of state, out of the country, or maybe you live in Arizona and you just want to hop from one city on over to another, that's perfectly fine with us. Just give us a call, text, or email us, and we will definitely take care of you. So whether you're moving in days, weeks, minutes, or years, that's perfectly fine. We are here to help, serve, and support you at the highest level possible. So like I always say, until I see you around town next time, show you around town next time, you have a marvelous, awesome rest of your day. And don't forget, call, text, or email us. Don't be bashful, don't be shy. All my information is right there. See you next time. Have a marvelous, wonderful day.